In this video, you will plunge into a world where factory machines do their job with amazing precision and skills that reach new heights. We will show you how to create a variety of products, starting with raw materials and ending with finished products. This is the art of production, where each stage is an act of skill and engineering genius. Let's get started.
Let's go.
An architect from Minnesota built a castle using a 3D printer, and it is known for certain that the construction process took place by squeezing concrete layer by layer, followed by its solidification. This giant mechanical horse with a height of more than 5 meters was built specifically to participate in the New Year's parade. It has a number of functions such as blinking, moving all parts of the body and spewing smoke. There is a Remington ammunition manufacturing plant in Lonoke County, Arkansas. This is the company's only cartridge factory, but its capacity is sufficient to meet the demand for ammunition in the United States and beyond. Trim it so that everything looks great and nothing sticks out anywhere. That's the main task of an experienced gardener. To repair the sewer manhole, it is simply cut out of asphalt and replaced with another. Vinyl records, though outdated, are still in demand among special connoisseurs of classical music and collectors. Almost every office employee has a paper shredder, and this is a 100 times enlarged copy that can grind even a small motorcycle. This man from the northern state clears snow with the help of a powerful airflow from the jet system. Metal barrels are produced by contact welding, and for improvement, stiffeners are formed on the body, dividing the body of the barrel into 3 equal parts. Silicone tableware is made on the basis of quartz sand with the addition of auxiliary chemicals that are safe for human health. Silicone molds for baking and freezing ice, spatulas and brushes, coasters, holders and much more are made of silicone. Even a sheriff from Texas wants to have his own named mug with his engraved logo. A business idea for the production of wooden tableware is easy to organize at home. Wooden tableware has a lot of advantages, which makes it attractive to the consumer. There is a place for her in every kitchen. Have you seen a floating excavator anywhere? Write in the comments. If you attach a huge broom instead of a bucket, you will get a great car for cleaning the streets. In order to cut logs into high-grade lumber, special multi-saw machines are used. A ceramic mug is made of white clay, blown under pressure, after which it is sent to the kiln for firing. As soon as the clay hardens, the mug is taken out of the oven and checked for defects. With this screwdriver, you no longer need to bend down or reach for the ceiling. Having a length of more than 1.5 meters, it easily reaches all hard-to-reach places. A logging harvester is a multi-operation machine designed for felling trees. The computer installed in the operator's cabin controls the operation of the combine head and keeps records of the amount of harvested wood and its species composition. This packaging machine is capable of packing anything in a matter of minutes. For the production of ice cream, it is enough to pour any kind of drink or juice into this machine, and it will immediately turn it into ice. Thank you for watching to the end. I always strive to improve the quality and offer you something new and interesting, so I am sure that you will like the next video even more. Thank you for your support. Subscribe, put a like and a notification so that you don't miss anything.